Hey guys, wanted to cover a new GPT plugin which will now enable us to uh, submit input files. So there is something called ChatGPT file uploader. So this is a Chrome plugin. You can go and click on this, and once this is installed, then you can just go into your ChatGPT, refresh. So we should see a submit button here. Okay, so now you see a submit file, and let's try this is actually working. So let me look at some okay, so let me look at some CSV file. Okay, let me save some sample CSV file from the internet. Okay, so let me try saving one of them. Okay, so I've downloaded this file. I'll attach this for you. You can use it. So this one is just for testing, so you can actually try it on any data set. It should work. So yeah, so if I look at this, cool. So it was able to generate the data here, and let's say convert the data above to a table. Okay, and build a graph database for the same. So yeah, so you can actually do anything on your input data. So similarly, let's assume that I have some text file here. So let me save this over here. So let me say save as. Let me go to downloads, and let's say test.txt. So let me close this and try submitting this file. We should see text.txt somewhere here, and yeah, it was able to generate that file. So I know that with them, I'm not sure if there are some plugins with which you can do this, but this is also a really useful Chrome plugin if you want to feed your input data and ask ChatGPT to do some stuff. So I've used this where I got some sample CSV data, production CSV data I had, and was able to generate some code logic I wanted on top of it to make it work. So that's where this might be useful, and I'll provide this plugin for you in the description. You can go ahead and install it, and I hope this helps. Thank you for joining.